Let's do some more practice on multiple parameters. Let's say we want to make a function which can add any two numbers together. I'll start with the function definition. Here we have public, which is my access modifier, void, which is the return type, and then my function name, which is add two number. Now I just simply want to add two numbers like this. Here we have a print statement that adds 2 and 4 together, and once this program will run, it will print out 6. But this function is not so useful because anytime we call this function, it will only add this 2 and 4 together. We don't want our function to have hard-coded values. We want a function which can add any two numbers together which our users ask us to add. So can you guess what should we do? How about we have two new parameters in our function definition? So now inside our parentheses, we have created two new parameters, one called num1, which is an int, and second called num2, which is also an int. Let's now update our print statement to use these two parameters. You can see that we can simply have num1 and num2 inside our print statement and can have a plus operator between those two. And now when Java will run this program, it will print out the correct value. Let's try running it. My first function call would be add two numbers with the argument of 2 and 3. Java will run this code and will put 2 inside my first parameter num1 and will put 3 inside my other parameter num2, and my final output will be 5. For my next function call, I would call add two numbers with the argument of 5 and 8, and once Java runs this program, it will put 5 inside my num1 parameter and will put 8 into my num2 parameter, and my final output will be 13.